Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial. Here I am going to show you how to set default path and how to install NumPy in your system. Here is the I am going to locate the first path for copying it. Here is this PC and local disk C, users, in user, your default user, and after that here is app data. Here is not showing, but go to view and check on hidden items. You can go here and after that hidden items you can check it. After that here you got the one folder app data. After that local, here is programs, then Python 38. This is the our default path to set the environment variable. Here I am copying it and after that go to cmd. Here you first type the Python, but you not recognize the Python as a command, internal or external. Python is not recognized a command. Because of that you are not setting the environment variable. You click on Windows button and type the variable where, then you got the two in output here, edit environment variables for your account. Click on it, then you got the variable environment variable window, then new, and set the variable path, put as a path, and paste here the copied path. Then click on OK. Here is also OK. After that you once more open the cmd. Here once more open the cmd and after that you click, you type Python, then you got Python. This is the Python. You got the Python. You see here Python 3.8.3. this is my current latest version, and you got the Python prompt as a output of this Python command. You can run any command on the here prompt. Here I am going to show you one command, print welcome. This is the print method in Python, and welcome is the string in that print method variable. Click enter, you got the message welcome. Okay, this is the default path setting of Python. I am here closing, and after that once more I open the cmd because I will show you the path is permanent or not. Here click, you type Python and hit enter. You got the Python prompt as we see previous. Here I am going to exit, and this is the second part of that this video, how to install NumPy in our system by using pip command. Okay, here I am going to I am go to first path of the pip command, where our pip command located. That is I am first copied here. Our path is copied from here. Wait, I will show you. You can go from here also, cd, then after that you got the app data. After that you go to local, then after you go to program. Here is the program, you go to Python. When you not remember the path, then you can type dir to see the you can see the ls command directories in Linux system by using ls command. This type of command is present in Windows, dir. Then you go to cd Python, after that cd also Python, and cd, and here is a script. In this path you can see here, in this path our pip command is present on our system. Here I am going to show you pip command use. Pip, hit pip and enter, type pip and hit enter button, then you got the pip command uses install, download, uninstall. You can see here commands, these are the pip commands. and general options, H for helps, isolated, you can see here. Here I am going to show you how to install any packages. I am taking for example as a numpy. So here pip install, you can see here pip install and numpy. You type the correct package name in the pip command, then click on enter. When you click on enter, you got the collecting okay. I have already installed this, because of that this got the message requirement already satisfied. Numpy in this package, this path my numpy is already present. You can see here you should consider upgrading my Python. Then I have copied this command. Okay, I am copying here. I am copying here and hitting enter, because I am upgrading the pip command. Collecting pip, here is my found pip 19.2.3. this is a pip command version. Okay, I am pausing here video, and after that when successful, then I will show you. Okay, here I got the successfully installed pip 20.2. this is the latest version, and I am already found existing means existing using pip, this is 19.2.3. This is about the how to install pip command numpy any packages using pip command, and how to set the default path in our Windows 10 environment variable. Okay friends, if you are not subscribed my channel, then subscribe and press on bell icon to all, because when I am uploading, I was upload the video, then you got the message as a notification. And any doubt, then please comment, free to ask, I am your friend. Okay, thanks for watching. I am stopping here.